How to fix Roblox error code 403 in Windows 11. So if you're getting the message that says authentication failed, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you'll need to do is load up your start menu. You can then search for run and click on this window. Now in the search box, type in $sign app data $sign and press enter. Now click on app data at the top of this folder and double click on local. Now scroll down until you see Roblox and click on it like so, and then click on the trash icon. Now once you've deleted this folder, close out of this window, and then you'll need to go in and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can try reinstalling Roblox and checking if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, open up your start menu and click on settings. From the left hand side, select apps and click on installed apps. Now in the search box, type in the word Roblox. You'll then see the Roblox app, click on the 3 horizontal dots and press uninstall. Go and click on the uninstall button. Now once Roblox has been uninstalled, open up your start menu. You'll then need to search for Microsoft Store and click on this window. Now click on the search box and type in Roblox. You'll then need to download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. So if I click on Roblox Windows, you can go and install it directly from here. So just go and press download. And then once it's finished downloading, you should be able to open up Roblox without the error message.